Here we are today, Auto Body Collision Brokers. We're just the Murano. We're getting a safety inspection free of charge for the customer, just to make sure everything is safe after there was front-end damage on this vehicle. The Auto Body Shop did a great job. Use Auto Body Collision Brokers. We'll take care of you. We help with rentals, free pickup and drop-offs, videos of the vehicle being worked on, and also lots of pictures, website or any social media site. You can find us Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook. We're everywhere. Use Auto Body Collision Brokers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.